Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Daryl Matthews from the Matthews Group at Keller Williams. I am here to touch base with you around how to use your home equity. First things first, please like and subscribe for all real estate content. All right, the first way to use your home equity is by reinvesting in your current property. I see a lot of homeowners that have a ton of equity with outdated kitchens, outdated bedrooms, bathrooms. This is the best way to use it if you're going to stay in your home. It's one of the best ways to use your equity in your property, reinvest it into your property, and see a higher value or forced appreciation in your current home. The second way to use your equity in your property is by buying another home. So you can do this one of two ways. The first is by selling your current property, using that equity, pulling that out and using that on a down payment for your next property. Or you can keep your current property and pull out what's called a home equity line of credit to reinvest into your next home and using that as a down payment. Third and final way that I see my homeowners use equity in their home is by pursuing their financial goals. Maybe it's starting a business venture, or you can use it to fund college for one of the kids, or possibly pursue other financial goals that you've had in the past. It's a benefit because you have that tapped into your property, all the while that property's still gaining appreciation. It's great. That's why we love real estate, because we can hold on to it, and without any time pressures, you can always tap into the equity in your property. If you have any questions on how to go about using your equity in your property, please give us a ring. My name is Daryl Matthews, and this is Matthews Group. Talk to you guys soon.